Mai le tangata tuai le tangata lili. Lea la ua whai e le tua le wā venga i lo wōlanga. Tari tonu mai oi le uso ma le tōwhine. E iai le tangata o lo i whafu. He or she dealing with the same situation that you've been through, that need your testimony, that needs your help, need to hear what God have do to your life. How God changed you from the heart and the ugliest and the darkest life that you've been through into the likeness of Jesus Christ. So if I were you, you can call me and I'll give you a chance to come on here and spread your testimony. So people out there can hear you, can hear what God did to you. So they understand is only God can change your life.